Paano? Welcome to her vlog.
I know you yet know that you're in your room putting makeup on. You know me yet know about all my dreams and where I went wrong. I stress way too much about what I want, 'cause it's not here yet. You talk in your sleep, almost heavenly.
Ako na sa vlog mo, Silhouette.
When you said we are one
Angat ka pati.
Laban daw.
Yan. Kaya sa may mga lang ba?
Okay lang ako. Nag-enjoy ako i-vlog kayo. Ayaw kong gusto.
Picture lang ka. Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Ayan, magpupunta kami ngayon ng North. Nag-rent kami ng jeepney. Ito to ang sitwasyon namin ngayon.
Si Mama Jer.
Hindi na kami makalit. Chase.
Buti na lang mga payat na tayo.
Yung boses.
Oo, kasi hindi na makahingi.
Bedroom voice. Pang-vlog mo muna.
Hala, hala, hala. Back! We're here now at Bagupong Corregidor. Ayan.
Ito kami sa Magpupunta.
Yay!
Ang aming alpha friend. Aga mo naman mamargo. Mamalengke.
Ito po si ate ko na yun.
Ano sa puri ba?
Deep and Dine.
Hello! Deep and Dine with lemon tea.
Ah! Ma-judge mo ko. Representing from Caloocan City. Sige, Mi. Ba't ka ba naiyak kanina, te? Ang lina. Dito.
So parang ang logo, uy, magbubusa mo. Hanggang 12. Hanggang saan?
Hanggang si Dan.
Sabi sa mga
Ako naman. Ano ba?
Yeah, ang gaya.
What's your order?
Ice cream, Oreos, and flower nips. Chocolate syrup.
May syrup.
Syrup.
nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to come. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now.
The summit.
And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now.